Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add logo and browser icon in Squarespace. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for Squarespace. After that, open the first website and make sure to sign into your account. Now, get to the website editor and this web page will open up. Here, click on the settings icon at the bottom of the screen and your account settings will open up. Inside settings, click on the Favicon feature and the image uploading feature will be displayed at the top. You just need to click on it, select Upload File, and then select the target image. Make sure that the target icon is of 100 by 100 or 300 by 300 resolution, and also in the permitted image formats. You can also upload a dark mode favicon as well, but it is optional. Once done, click on the Save button at top right corner and then close the settings. Now reload the web page and the browser icon will be displayed. So that's basically how you can add logo and browser icon in Squarespace. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.